You wanna know how can you share your Monopoly Go link on Facebook? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. You need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the game updated, or at least have a newer version, not one of those old versions. After that, you can finally go ahead and open the game. Of course, from here, we're gonna wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, just get rid of those pop-ups that pop up in your screen, and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on your friends right here in the bottom right corner. Then from the screen, tap on this green button that says invite at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, if you want to share the link through the Messenger app, tap on the blue invite button at the bottom. It will take you directly to Messenger. You can from here choose the person that you want to share this with, or search for their usernames and tap on send right next to their name. Now, if you want to share this in a platform other than Facebook, you can tap on the orange invite button and you can pick the app from here. You can just tap on it and send the link there. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.